Payment Module. Foot Soldiers utilizes a mobile-based payment platform. Customers have 2 days to review your work, manually make their electronic payments, including any discretionary tips. Tips are not required, and at the sole discretion of the customer, you receive 100% of any customer tip. Shovelers shall receive payment 14 days after jobs are completed. Direct deposit. Shovelers have consented to direct deposit in their agreement. All shovelers are paid via direct deposit within 14 days of job completion. To set up your direct deposit, complete the electronic W-9 form emailed to you. If the name on the form is an individual, a Social Security card and government-issued photo ID is required. If you did not receive this email, please email services@myfootsoldiers.com. Foot Soldiers shares revenue with shovelers according to fee structures that are determined by the type of assignment that was completed and whether or not the assignment was eligible for special premium payment. Because the job was at night, between 8 p.m. and 5:59 a.m. Eastern Time, or on a federally recognized holiday.